yaba.
Apani Santa Panye yanga chichemwa msiwa pana. Bafana kumanya ngona ndi. Bafana siyana kuno kumanya. Type ya music yawo. Ne kuno kuzunu. Ukuthi kana ukuthi bade kuti bade batopinda mumapopo. Zimdanzoma zvinoona kuti toreka nguva mbichana kuti vadijase because vane flavor yavo yavakatojera kudhani ikoko kwacho vanogona kushaya futi support yevanhu vanoda futi zimdanzo zvokuti akadozvitanga zvinomutorera nguva yakareba apa
open market it's not there right now
zvavanofanira kuita manje vanofanira kuti vaite kana kuuya kuno vorekodha ivo nemaproducer ekuno ndovakajairira skiri yacho yemusic iyoyo than kuti vaite nevanhu vanoiti chiya wehouse vorekodwa nemunhu wehouse hazvimbobva
why don't the producers go to Bloy?
Ayo havana ningi space. Havasi creative kana vari out of comfort zone. Handiri Mbare muno tine mastudio anenge 8. Mbare muno. Apa kwati mfano aiwa igani ureko. Aisi yake munhu aitongosenzawo ipapo. Studio aisi yake ambody slam kwaifundisa.
It's easy kuti artist aende kustudio. Then kuti studio ite go around ichitera vanhu
ende zvinoita vanhu manje vanhu vega vega vanosapota vanhu
South African work on
but ini zvamunotaura zviri correct even vachita kwaito yavo they still need to come in tatenda I love you hamusaka baby mutana but anyways muri kuona zvinoitika ndizvokudayo vanhu kwaito yaya kune vanhu vakwanisa kuiproduce like I'm gonna give you a quick example and love Mumba Jaiva and Isikano Bulawayo but put escalator meno kana accelerator ameno kuti weight rate ndikati kutanya kuzikanwa akazotidzira mara achitidzira pa playboy yanga ya job kadeni ko kutanya kuzikanwa Bulawayo aizikanwa but one Bulawayo they not spenders. They're not spenders. Why don't they go to win from Mafaro?
I think I'll tell you what.
In terms of
promoting my genre.
No one thinks of Bloy, especially the guys from Harare. You don't think of Bloy. You made me more eaters in Zeni alone. You know, there are guys who've been around for ages. Anna Fraser, Otis Fraser, Gibson Nube, Black Boys. You know the Black Boys group, they're in London now. But we're not going to show you. Then I've got my own boys. I'm at DJs, UK.
Yeah, but this is the same thing I'm trying to tell you. Banogu Bulawayo, they tend to move out of South, Botswana, out of Africa. One in UK, and America.
For gigs, then we're not soccer, they come back.
We are made to believe and South African they are not into reggae.
Yeah, but that's where the trouble is now.
Those are no believe it for so the moon is running
maybe you don't go to Bulawayo, you see, to advertise or to sell yourself. This is what Zim is all about. All of us as Zimbabweans, we're going to be like this movement. The actual Rwanda is America. And Cruiser, Batman, will little way. They sign up from different towns and cities. On another cross, they sign up artists from different towns and different cities. And they go there. Rwanda. So that's the same thing that we would like to see guys from Harare doing.
But the situation I'm
Ganyo can sign artists from Hawaii. Actually singing in the way. Not necessarily in Shona, but for a different audience. But Ichi
is same dancing.
Look on.
But the town one in the way.
That's how it's supposed
like
to diverse.
Not too long ago, it's in personal and fan of background. The fan of the studio because in the town was
You're the top guy. Anytime you ever see anything about Zim, Ghetto, Zim, anything, they don't know food affairs. I've been listening to Mfanawi. What's his boy's name? Killer T. You're the one who uploaded the CD.
Didn't upload the CD? Ngoma ndaimba.
Sandy Warning, something like that. It's Sandy Warning. That's big in Glory.
Yeah, but like I didn't move to tower. When I tell Bapana, I don't know magic warani. Didn't Killer T. And I tell him with the Killer T with the good with song I got this and he believe. See, nobody problem.
I'll tell you what, my university, NAS University, then behind NAS, University of Mines, School of Mines actually, yeah. School of Mines. That's the type of music they listen to.
But I don't put out the poor number Killer T and do you believe it? And in a number, I don't know where to find it.
Oh.
Asana Momona than 6 weeks in the Wamuno. Asana Momona. And people and some records there by YouTube and people believe we will be close to these guys.
That's what I thought.
No, I'm not because we're on the sideline. Mazona. Besana Toki Vibes, I've never seen him in my life. But it's Zikanu.
You're the one, you're the face.
Yeah, but
not on YouTube, you're the face of anything that goes on. Dancehall, ghetto, anything like that.
But like I said, with Toki Vibes, I've never seen him in my life. But there's some music. Winky T, I've never seen him in my life.
Those are you should now operate in a way they should interact with you.
They owe you money, they got your money.
It's no necessary German. In the Gadauta show now, one on Taura Madis of Pengas, what you need to Tagauta show.
Yeah, but you need to talk to some of these guys, man. They have to come to Blawayo, sign up artists like Blawayo, who sing in Dewele, but Danzo.
You should tell them in my magic, that's the opportunity.
And if
you go to our
right, okay. Harare has it all. Danzo is all here, but now we want to move to Blawayo. Blawayo, we've got our own style. It's been handed down to us over decades. A lot of South African influence. But now we're trying to do the whole Zim thing. But we can also do dancehall. We don't have to do it in Shona, but we can do it in Dewele, Kalanga, or any other Matabeleland languages. But we need the support. And this is the big guy. You're top dog. Anytime, check on YouTube, anything to do with Zim, anything. Dio, Ghetto Crown, right?
Ghetto Crown King, yeah. Do you know what?
Yeah.
But
so word has to go out.
You see, when they expect me to chance instead of Mad Minutes.
All right.
You know what I mean? This is a production, this is a company I deal with.
Yeah.
My channel is called Ghetto Crown King. So people are not putting the face to the name. And before I used to be called Ghetto Gladiator. The name of my channel is Mad Minutes Silver. But right now you're active in the Ghetto Crown King.
Do you know the guys doing Zim Entertainment?
Possible, no?
The Brian.
No, what's up? I'm possible. I said that again. Go to Bangladesh, but you never know. No, because salad. Jamana didn't mind me not additional around. Don't go to Jamaica. Saka mimi pamoja mzazi is a trade. I'm going to UK and Saka pamoja is one of the same thing.
Yeah, I know him personally.
I got on my body and something like that. Chechu, I got the Chechu.
I know I got into school of computers. Yeah, that's where I got Tangas from the entertainment.
Yes.
Yeah. So, you put the word out. You didn't have good guys. I know Otis Fraser.
Yeah.
He lives in my neighborhood. I know the big guys Bloyo that run the nightclub. You know, I know them. Some of them are my cousins actually. You know? Yeah. No, so lounge, private lounge.
Private lounge.
Rainbow Hotel. Sun Hotel in the old days. Not the Sun Hotel. Silver Fox. That's the one opposite. Not the lounge now. The lounge. It was known as Silver Fox. It's now called the lounge. I know the
paparazzi. Horizon. Horizon. Upstairs.
Pioneer building.
Pioneer.
Yeah. So you guys got to bring some of your game to Bulawayo.
Let me tell you something, fine.
I'll tell you. Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
Most of the guys from Bulawayo, they don't actually come to Harare.
Yeah.
It's been handed down over generations. I don't know why. Some do, but most don't. Most go to South Africa.
Right. Botswana.
It's been like that for
generations.
But now there's room for what? There's room for guys to come in.
Right.
You know what it's going to take? It's only going to take one guy, one producer to come and pick up all the talent.
Right.
And start making what?
Husband.
What? But anyway, man, Jimmy, the other ones with the ties.
But what inini na makidu leyo pale kuti vanhu vese vatangauriza pa4040 vese mamunongodzwa wakunzi wakuya pa4040 kwamarani tichitakatanga kuparidza. But you see, this is the problem yandozoita nevanhu isusu tavhura that gap yekuti takuridza. The owners of the club now, they give us the back. Avachaticheuka mazviona. But isusu tisatanga kuita se kuya ikoko, they start giving one more money than yavakatira.
They owe you money, that's what I'm saying.
Mazviona. Saka isusu kwezikana nazvishavani tisakatanga kunoridza ikoko.
That's it.
Ona. Kwekwe tisakatanga kunoridza Karoi, Chinoi, Bindura, you name it, every town takaridza Mutare, Marondera, mageto ese munhu.
What about Bloyo?
Takaridza paparazzi takamuridza. Ichinzi paparazzi. Handisika 4040 takairidza. 4040 it was 3 years ago. About 3 years ago. 3 maybe. 2012. 12 man. 2012. 3 years. But like one wachoka, they see a certain thing. Vakuda ma-DJ separate. It's not this commercial. Zvaunonzwa kwatiri ka, half of the time you never hit on the radio. Because we are DJs. We are not radio DJs. Hatisi kutaura zvekuita, tikuita zvazvinoda. So they will start pick up my DJ separate. Vanenge vachizwa vanogona stereo. But at the same time, chimutaura chiridza marecords auriridza paredio, chinoaridza muclub haaridzi yawo. Look at the guys vari munomu, vari muZimbabwe munomu. Let's just pick two, right? This is just a controversial issue about Mad Minox, right? Una Etaton na Templeman, Godfather Temple, and na Gary B. When they play on the radio, one of the symptoms. But in person, the symptoms. If you bring them to Bulawayo, they play Jamaican music. And that's a problem. Bandit is a problem. But per radio, vanenge vachitanga vari kukudziridza vapana stereo kandika. But wavati waisa pashow Bulawayo, vanoridza ma-Jamaican dance. Mazvisiya. Saka inini zvikundibatsira chi indoridza Jamaican dance. But kupromota vapana ndoita mashows now and ndikuita nafana vazikanwe worldwide. Ndisina narrow minded. You need vision yangu yakakura.
I know, but you need to push the envelope, man. You need to take it to Bulawayo, seriously. There's no one doing it.
Yes.
There's no one doing it. You know what I mean?
It's a good idea. You know I've got the microphone. Deny microphone.
There's those, man, universities and students, you know, we're all picking up on stuff, foreign stuff. In South Africa. We don't need South African stuff.
Fireman, hama yangu inogara muLuveve. One, imwe inogara kuGwabalanda. Luveve de Gwabalanda. Luveve is one of the notorious ghetto, just like Bali.
So why? It's not notorious.
One of them. That's one of them. It's notorious.
Luveve is good. Luveve, no problem with Luveve.
But unoda ghetto yekuti yangu fana nembali. Yekuti munhu akamutaura tishika vanogara padhuze nepacocktail pai zvokuti munhu haarasike stereo. You know what I mean? But accessible. I can take him by sekuru wangu. I can change it to a studio. Nokuvapa mari.
Right, if I put a proposal, it's all right. Let me move you and your product to Bulawayo, but you play on our style, not in Shona, but using the bed. Would you take on that?
Yes, we can take on that. We have a studio right there. Papa number 3 secondary.
Nice.
But report, this is one of the marketing.
Yeah.
Alright.
So we're going to start to sing dance on the block.
Okay. But this is the thing. Wafana vanenge vane nzara. Saka vanenge
Stay everywhere.
This is the thing. Nzara yeka. The thing kuti zvinogona ngobuda that moment. Muvanzwisa kuti munhu anofunga kuti anongosumuka that day. But isusu kana mune proposal iyoyo. We have the guys. Fana wanda kuratidza pavidhio akutorekordwa izvozvo as we speak.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
Microphone inongohengwa panhingi parufu munhu akutoimba.
This is part 1 of the making.
Nomisa mbijani.